Basically, pop instincts are little secondary hooks. They are moments in a song that might come and go the first time someone hears the song, but after they hear it again, these mini hooks begin to dig themselves into the listener's brains. For example,
fuck him, then we kick him to the door, nigga, you know how it goes. I'ma need my shirt back, nigga, you know how it goes. Like, give me $20, ask stupid how you get to college. My only regret was too young for Lisa Bonet. My only regret was too young for Sade Adu. My only regret could never take a Leah home.
These little inflections and embellishments, and I'd say ornaments, can help add some much needed personality and flair to a song where lyrics are the central importance, or if it seems like the lyrics don't have enough life to them. It can break up the monotony of rap. You could take the bars you write and try to sing them instead of rapping them. You can drop the beat for a punchline. You can find a line or a lyric and repeat it at the start or the end of each verse, bringing a different context to it with each new verse. Basically, pop instincts are little secondary hooks. They are moments in a song that might come and go the first time someone hears the song, but after they hear it again, these mini hooks begin to dig themselves into the listener's brain.
All this pressure probably turn a nigga insane, but I got that hustle blood all in my big veins. Nigga, I can't kick it with you, we some sensei. All my friends say you too close to the edge, and I swear to God I might just overdose on that real shit. Yeah, I swear to God it gets so hard just to not kill shit.